Okay, now here get to value of x. You need to know this theorem, but when you have cyclic quadrilateral, I will draw it roughly, and if you extended one side, right, like this way, if I extended, this angle will be equal to interior opposite angle. That means this one, these two equal, right? That means here also we have like that. Now this a b c f is a cyclic quadrilateral. This fc extended like this. Here 85, so this one will be completely this both together. This one, this angle, I mean BAF, this angle is equal to this angle. That means here 85, then here also 85. This complete one 85. You need to understand that. Okay, I will mark here like that 85. And not only that, now they tell you GE is a tangent, and this tangent, and this is the chord, right? FC is a chord. Now we know tangent and the chord between, we have this angle. That means this angle will be equal to, but the angle between tangent and the chord, that angle will be equal to the angle that chord subtended at circumference, like this. This one like this. This we normally call alternate segment theorem, right? This is the tangent, this is the chord. In between that angle is 55. That angle will be equal to but the same chord subtended angle at circumference. That means this small one will be, but here 55, here will be 55. Now we know this big one is 85. No, this is this complete one from here to here. This is equal this, no? In a cyclic quadrilateral, when you extended one side, exterior angle, this exterior angle will be equal to the interior opposite angle. That means this one. Okay, now this big one 85, this is small one, this one CAF, this is 55. That means this is how much? 85 minus 55, right? This big one, make this both together. Now this is 55, so this will be 30, right? 85 minus 55. Okay, if this is 30, this x also 30. How? Look, now BC subtended angle at circumference, BC subtended angle at circumference, right? So x will be equal to 30 because same segment angle we call normally, right? This BC, from BC go to A, from BC go to F here. So this x will be equal to this 30. So you can tell x equal 30, like that. That's the method come to my mind. Maybe some other method also.